Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bustami Usman and my friend
Reza in Riano.
We are from Accounting2C. We want to apply to you about manufacturing industry that did not grow cause Indonesia to be treated in 5% growth. Manufacturing is an industry that applies machinery, equipment, and labor and a process medium for converting raw material into finished goods without the manufacturing industry to producing export. It will be an obstacle for economic growth and Indonesia economic growth. It will most probably be at 5, 6, 8, 10% according to a joint study by the Asian Development Bank and the National Development Planning Ministry. 1. Theory of economy grant according to the Frederick List. According to the Frederick List, a nation economy growth can be divided into 4 stages. First, and A. The rate of hunting and watering, and B. The rate of raising and farming, and C. The rate of farming and crop, and D. The rate of crop industry and trade. 2. Grown can only be active with a stronger manufacturing base that use more complex technology with produce high value goods that are heavily integrated with high demand elasticity. 3. One of the main actors behind the decline in manufacturing was the commodity boom for almost 10 years back when 2003 and 2012 that lulled the government into complacency.
Number 1. Theory of neoclassic economic growth. A. Herod Roma, the need for capital formation, investment as a condition to achieve the best economic growth. B. Schumpeter, economic growth is largely determined by entrepreneurial ability. 2. A. If capital formation has been carried out, the economy will be able to produce goods in large quantity. B. If people want to innovate and create new creation, then it will increase production activity. 3. A. The government is recommended to follow the business model from such successful manufacturing countries as China, Taiwan, and South Korea, whereby the government heavily intervenes in selecting the kinds of industries be developed the champions. B. The government can attract foreign manufacturers to make Indonesia their production base but with strong and clear rulers. Conclusion: in our opinion, if the government continues to consistently solve the obstacles that cause manufacturing to weaken, even though the growth is slow, but if done seriously, we believe the economic growth will move toward to better direction in the future.
That is the explanation of us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.